Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I am going to teach you everyone how to set up your favorite photo in the Photos widget in your iPhone home screen. As you can see my screen right now, I have set up my favorite photo as a widget in my iPhone. To do this, you just have to follow the two steps. The first step is going to be to open your Photos application and add your favorite photo to an album. You can create a new album if you just want a single photo to be displayed throughout day and night. But if you want to swap the photos, you can create an album, add multiple photos, and it would be swapped depending on the time. So for now, for this test purposes, I just have a single photo in my album and I have created this. If you have any questions on how to add a photo to an album, you can leave it in the comment section. I can make a separate video for it. The second step is going to be to add the widget to your home screen. In order to do that, you have to long press in your screen. You reach this page, and here you have to click on the edit button at the left corner, and you have to add the widget. As you can see, this widget is not available right now because I already added it to my home screen. I'll just remove it. Now if I go here, add widget, we can see I am able to add a widget known as photos, and in here we can see that my album. If I click on this, I'd get the page where I'll be able to add this widget. Once I add it, I'll be given the prompt to choose my album. If you click on choose, you'll be able to choose your preferred album. Right now I'm just not going to choose anything because I already have the widget in my main home page. But if you guys want to do it, you can just add it. If you do not select anything, then obviously the default or your favorites album is going to get selected. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you did enjoy watching this video, just do not forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button near to it. Let's meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.